Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh. So as you guys can see by the title of today's video, we are going to be creating a absolutely free website. There are no hidden costs to this website. We're going to be doing this in 10 minutes or less. For me, it will probably be less because I'm experienced with creating websites, but this platform is made for regular everyday people. If this is your first time building a website, then this platform is for you. Again, it's absolutely free. So this website will be compared to like Big Cartel, which is another free website host, but this website host is actually better because if you do choose to upgrade your website, it's only $6, as to where if you upgrade on Big Cartel, it's going to be $9 and you're not even able to post like unlimited products. So let's get right into this tutorial. So if you guys want to connect your domain name to your website, you're able to do that. But if you want it to be completely free, then you can just use this type of domain name, like the one that I have here, the House of Glitters Square site. You can use that. That's perfectly fine. Or you can buy a domain name for as low as $10 for the entire year. So we are going to go and get started. And I'm just going to head over to edit website. This is a completely new website that I just created. I have used this platform in the past when I used to sell hair, but now I'm just going to show you guys really quick how to set up a website. So this is a blank slate. You can literally choose whether you want your Instagram feed on here. This is all completely free. If you're going to be collecting emails and have a contact form like this one, if you're going to be showing, like I said, your Instagram feed, if you're going to be showing featured items, you can all do that here on this free website. As you guys can see, the header is here. You guys can go ahead and upload your logo, simple picture of your logo. You can customize that or whatever. And then, okay, so we're done with header. And then you have your main banner here. And this is where you can upload any image. It could be your bestseller, or it could be a nice visual you can put here. Anything, like I said. I'm gonna see what images I have on this computer. I don't really use this computer for business because it's a smaller computer. So let's just say I wanted to use this. Let's just say this was a product. And I'm trying to put this product right there, slap on the page. So that would be the product. So as you guys can see, you have different options here, labels, headlines. If you wanted to make this text like a button, you could enable that. And like say it was a picture of a necklace. So then you can put the name of the necklace and you put shop now, and then you would link the featured item. Whichever item you're going to be linking there, you would put it here in the featured item. Let's go back. We are done with the main banner. If you want to change the site design, which is going to be the colors, you can go down to where I just clicked the site design and you can pick the color that you want. I chose this pink shade, so I'm just going to stick with that for now. Again, you can always change it. And then they have the color styles. Like the one that I chose, it has like the kind of transparent-ish pink background. So I can go with a more vivid pink. And then I could also do the pink on the white, or I can also do the pink on the black. It's all up to you and how your brand aesthetic is. My brand's aesthetic is like super duper pink, so I would go with this one here. And then below, you can choose the font that you want. Any of those fonts are fine. I would like to pick one that's a bolder font. Okay, so then you could put your featured item here. Of course, so when you're putting your featured item, you're gonna have to create an item. Just for the heck of the video, we're going to create an item for you guys. This is a physical item. I probably have pictures of resin guns on here, so I'm gonna put a resin gun, and the price is going to be $50. Of course, here you would put the description, and then you would add images of your resin gun. You see, I have a picture of the resin gun right there. So the picture is going to upload. Okay. So we hit save, and as you guys can see, bang! the image is there, the product is there. So of course you would add more products, more featured products there if you wanted to. So now that we have that selection done for the featured products, we are going to move down to the Instagram feed. So of course you would connect your Instagram. Let me do this really quick. I guess I'll just connect my Instagram because that's what I have there. Okay, so my Instagram is connected. Again, this is my Instagram, so this is solely for the purpose of this video. If this was for your store, then it would be your store, your brand's Instagram. This is just my Instagram because that's what was logged in on this computer. So your store's Instagram feed will show there. If you don't want that, then again, you don't have to use that. So the contact form, I think, is well needed. You can offer a coupon code to your customers in this section here, or just if they have any questions. And if you want to collect the full name or just the first name, the last name, you would fill that out there. And also you put the message, and you can change the question, like I said, if you wanted to. So yeah, that's that. Now we go down to the newsletter. This is awesome for collecting leads and collecting people's emails. So you can have this here, and you can have it where you put in your email to get a 10% off coupon or something like that, just to capture people's attention. So then we have the footer. So in the footer, you are going to have to create pages for your policy, for your refund, shipping policy, terms and service, and also a about me page. And that's not in here, so we definitely have to create these. As you guys can see, this is like the navigation if you want that there. The home, so it would be like home and then makeup and whatever other products you have there. Okay, so now that we are done going over the basic features of having a website and building a website, we are going to go on to adding a page to do the sections that we need to do at the bottom of the footer. So we're going to go to page, and as you guys can see, they have a bunch of pages here. Like I said, you need an about me page, add page to navigation, of course. So this is going to be where you write a little paragraph or sentences about your business and what you're about. You can even add your mission. And then we're going to also go back to pages, and we are going to do a blank page, and you have to name this page, and we're going to name it Privacy Policy. And that is going to be a page. So these pages have to be added when you have a website. It's absolutely crucial. So make sure that you add these pages. You don't have to add them to the navigation if you don't want to, but you have to have these pages. So we're going to do the refund policy. So for the refund policy, you can actually do the refund policy and the shipping on the same page. And now we are going to do a blank page, terms of service. As you guys can see, the pages are now at the bottom, and you just press the navigation and it goes on. You don't have to have the home page down there. Okay, so once we do the privacy policy, we go ahead and do the same thing again, and we want to add the terms of service to that. And then we also want to add, not that one, we want to add the refund policy. So when you're done, that's going to look like that. If you want to remove that from, if you want to remove those from the header, you can go ahead and remove those from the header. Okay, so now that we remove those from the header, this is when you are gonna go in and create the pages that you use for your products. So we're gonna put blank page. For me, I'm going to put makeup because I have a section for makeup. And then we are also going to add resin. And you're just going to keep doing this if you want separate pages. If you don't want separate pages, then you don't have to do this. If you want your shop to be simple, you can just have a shop page and then just link everything on that page. But I like my pages and my categories to be organized. So I'm going to put fashion. So here we have it, guys. This is the basic way to set up a website. It's free. It's super easy. As you guys can see, I just built that website super duper quick. So you have the home, the about, makeup, resin, whatever you sell up there and you want to put in categories. If you don't want to put it in categories, you can always just put a shop button. Then you can have your image here, which is linked to also a product. Then you have your featured products. You can put your Instagram feed on there. You also have a contact form. And then this is for the newsletter when you want to send people emails. Again, you want to collect emails to generate leads and sales. And then you have on the bottom the privacy policy, terms of service, and the refund policy. You can get the privacy policy and terms of service off of the internet. Just make sure you read it and customize it to your company and your company's guidelines. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video, you guys. Let me know if you guys want a part 2 as to setting up the rest of your website, but this is the basic beginning. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday. So see you guys next time.